Very excited na si Kalula. O ayan o, selfie. Ayan o. Dito kami ngayon, papunta kami sa Waterside Park. Anong lugar to, Islets? Sa Derwent. Tingnan nyo ang daan sa countryside. Oh. Nagkakonvoy kami, nauna yung car ng eldest daughter ko. Dito kami sa car ng daughter-in-law. Nagkakonvoy kami, dalawang sasakyan. Pagdaan countryside. Ganda ng sinag ng araw, maliwanag, pero malamig pa rin. Ilang degrees ba ang temperature natin?
10.5.
10 degrees, malamig pa rin yan. It's about 1 mile lang kami to our destination. It's about 5 minutes. Ganda dito sa kabila. So, bulong-bulukin ang lugar na to. First time namin na mapunta dito. Yun ang may malaking bahay. Dito kami. Balik ko ba yan? Biglang liko kami, biglang liko. Pababa. So, yan ang daan dito. Ay, may ano doon sa unahan doon. Nandun parang lake doon. Diyan. Doon sa baba. Pababa itong ano.
Grabe
Ano.
naman tong road na to.
Oh, yan nakakaano, parang roller coaster oh. Parang roller coaster oh. Oh, ang daan nito ay parang roller coaster oh. Nakakalula. Yan.
My heart.
Yan, may kasalubong pa. Yan. Saan ka punta? Dito kami pakanan. Wala naman. Yan oh, nakakalula ang daan. Pababa pa ng pababa. Parang spaghetti pababa ng pababa. Spaghetti pababa ng pababa. Yan, may maraming mga karnero oh, sa field oh. Yan, oh. Mga karnero. Yan oh. Yun, maraming karnero oh. Ito ang terrain ng Newcastle kasi bulubundukin. Hindi masyadong patag. Yan ang mga countryside na bahay, mga stone houses pa talaga. Tulog na tulog ang apo ko nasa tabi. Lumiko kami, pagkanan na naman. Mayroong tulay, so ilog itong pupuntahan siguro namin na parang baka may reservoir dito ng Binawang Dike at nagiging parang lake. Dito ito na.
Northumbrian water pala.
Dito nga parang reservoir to eh. We are here on the top of the lake. There's a machine for the parking fee. You know, the owner of this is the Northumbrian Living Water, Northumbrian Waterside Parks. Parking tariffs nila. Wala na, gihatag na ko kang eyelids. Pangayo kang eyelids.
Hindi tayo magbabayad, Ned? Ha? Hindi tayo magbabayad. May coin ka ba? Ma'am. Kinsilyo, ma'am.
This is the dam. This is the water reservoir for Northumbrian Waters, the living water. It's a big lake, the second largest compared to Kildare. So that's the parking over there. And along the side there are like pine trees. We'll have a look on this side. So look how they designed the water reservoir. This is serving the South Tyneside and supplying about 21 million gallons of waters a day. It's a man-made lake. You're there? So beautiful up here. Can you take some videos or
Rub it.
yeah?
Rub it.
Where?
Down there by the gray.
Try.
Pang, you guys can't zoom in. You see the little small gray balls?
Yeah, I cannot
Look,
know how.
no, look. Just
Yes,
look.
yeah. I want to zoom it
Pang,
up.
you can't zoom here. It's not very good at zooming. Because it's a digital zoom. It's like going into a picture. No, you can't just See, that's the most you can do.
Okay.
Right there, see?
Yeah, yeah. I've seen 1, 2, 3, 4. Ikaw. So may mga rabbit doon sa baba o masyadong malayo na. At saka mga karniro. Yan, tapos dito yung ano. Yan o may parang ano ng yung powerhouse ng reservoir. Yan may ano. No access to para sa mga mamingwit anglers, no access to the water edge from the footbridge. So hindi pwede mamingwit dito. Ayan. Mayroong CCTV oh. Parang ano, parola. Ganda dito mag-walking oh. So dapit hapon na ngayon. Let's see what is the time. It's 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Almost sunset. And down there, maraming mga karniro. Yun oh. Maraming karniro sa baba. Mga pine trees oh. So we're leaving the dam site now. There's the reservoir. There. We're going home now. Going away. Away. There. We're going away.
Overtake them.
No. We will follow them.
I wanted to overtake.
Yeah, but it's not safe. The policeman there on a motorbike.
There's a
did you see?
police. There's a police over there. We cannot overtake. There is a convoy. We're going down now. We're going home.
In our home, we'll overtake at our home.
There. You overtake at your home, near your home. So the cafe is there. We'll be passing by the cafe and playground is there. That's where Kai Kai played a while ago.
What's my mask?
It's just there.
Kai Kai's up. It's so bumpy.
Hello?
Girl wants to wee.
Okay.
So I'm just gonna quickly park here. Dito ka na mag-park sa tabi ko, Liz.
Okay.
Dito sa ano, kahit walang line, sa tabi ko.
Okay.
Ganyan ka na lang.
Stand by for away.